Electronics and high-tech manufacturers navigate complex supply chains, rapid innovation cycles, and stringent compliance demands, all while maintaining quality and speed to market. Balancing production schedules, minimizing inventory waste, and meeting evolving customer demands require seamless coordination. Without the right tools, inefficiencies, delays, and cost overruns can quickly escalate. Epicor provides an end-to-end solution designed for your industry. Real-time planning, seamless supply chain visibility, and automated compliance tracking help you reduce risks, improve efficiency, and stay ahead of the competition. Adapt instantly to demand changes with intelligent scheduling and resource planning. Gain full visibility across your supply chain while ensuring compliance with industry regulations like RoHS and WEEE. Seamlessly integrate engineering and manufacturing with automated bill of materials updates and revision tracking. Manage costs from concept to manufacturing with real-time visibility into expenses, pricing, and forecasts. Stay ahead of regulatory changes with built-in compliance tools, ensuring traceability from raw materials to finished products. Epicor empowers high-tech and electronics manufacturers with the tools to scale, innovate, and stay competitive. Gain the visibility and control your business needs to thrive. Epicor Kinetic ERP, made with manufacturers for manufacturers.